What's going on, guys? Welcome back to 956 Flips. Today is Saturday. Weather's kind of horrible today. I was gonna go hit the flea market and some garage sales. I don't think I'm gonna go to the flea market because of the rain. I'm gonna go hit a couple of garage sales and probably Goodwill at the end. Guys, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so. If you are subscribed, I appreciate you guys very much. And let's get into today's video. Alright guys, I'm here at my last stop of the day, Goodwill. It's still kind of raining, so I only got to hit 2 garage sales and this will be my final stop. Hopefully there's something in there. There's still a lot of people even though it's raining, so let's go check out and see what there is. Check out the windows, see if there's anything new. I don't look it, but like I said, every time I go in there, there's always something new. So let's go see. The entrance. It's gonna shopping cart. Crazy weather. As usual, I'll be doing in and out because of the music. I always have music playing in the background, so let's go see if we find anything. Here we are in the back. There's some new stuff. Here's the toys. I did have a new bag of toys for 10 bucks, picking that up. Let's see if there's anything else here. Glimpse of the toys. Just found a Pooh from Aladdin and an Xbox 360 controller. Alright, here's the electronics section. And let's go see if we can find anything in the media. So there's a few new games. These two and this one. Let's see how much these are. This looks interesting too. I don't know what it is. Alright guys, I'm just leaving Goodwill. Here's a quick peek. I don't know if y'all can see out there, but that's Goodwill. I spent 50 bucks here, so let's go through everything right now when I get home. Alright guys, so I'm back home. I bought all these DVD movies, these cowboy socks, and there's some more. Oh yeah, all the NFL team hats, a box full of clothes and hats, and this Rick and Morty puzzle for 7 bucks at a garage sale. And another garage sale. This is all I bought was My Little Pony and Shaggy. I just went to Goodwill and found more stuff. Oh, forgot about the Batman jersey. That's part of the same $7 garage sale. I went to Goodwill and I found all these 360 controllers. They're a little much. Well, that's the cheapest one. That one was 4 bucks because it doesn't have the backing. The rest of these were 6 bucks a piece. I usually don't pay that much for these controllers, but they're in really nice shape. And I don't see any reason why they wouldn't work. I also got this Winnie the Pooh dressed up for Easter. Apu from Aladdin. This thing is awesome. I'm not a big fan of monkeys, but he's my favorite monkey. I got this radio flyer for 99 cents. This comped out at about 8 bucks, 10 bucks. Apu is going to be for my personal collection. This crank set, I really don't know what it is, but I looked it up, $25. And then I'm always into these big bag of mystery items. This one was 10 bucks. But looking around it, I saw some wrestlers. There's like the mask figure right there. There's another, well, that's Two-Face. I think it's Two-Face. I don't know. Looks like a mask. There's some other wrestlers down there. So I paid 10 bucks for that. And that's going to be it for today. Like I said, the weather was really, really bad today. It poured. We were under thunderstorm watch all day. So basically garage sales were non-existent. And I was just happy to find all this stuff. That's going to be it for today, guys. Appreciate you guys watching. Another shameless plug. If you are not subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so. It's free. If you enjoy this kind of content where I go around buying stuff and showing you guys what I do to make money, flip it, and some stuff to add to the collection like this Apu. Alright guys, that's it. Thank you. Catch you next time.